Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that looks to energize you and refocus you to get you to help chasing your dreams down and make something big happen for you. Here is your quote for today. Reset, readjust, restart, refocus as many times as you need to. Okay then, let's take a moment here. Take a step back and just smile. In this crazy world that we all live in, it can be very, very hectic. Life can always feel just a little bit too much. But right now, take a moment to reset, readjust, restart, refocus, and do this as many times as you need to keep yourself in the game. It's always important to look after yourself and to check in to keep your mind nice and healthy.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.